Welcome back, guys. So in this section, we'll be creating our first Python program. I hope you're excited. Okay, guys, so the first thing we need to do is to create our file. And as you've seen, I already have my project created, which is Python course. And here I'll just need to create a new file. I'll go to Python file, and I'm going to give my file the name app. Okay, with that being created, then I'll just close this panel. And for me to write my first program, the first program that every programmer writes is the Hello World program, and that is what we are going to be writing. So that will be our first Python program. And for us to do that, we'll be making use of the print function that allows us to print something on the console. So here I'm just going to type print and add a parenthesis, and inside of the parenthesis, I had a double quotation and just type hello world. Hello world, and that is it. So the next thing we need to do is to run our program, and if we're running our file for the first time, we need to use Control Shift F10. Control Shift F10. So I would press Control Shift F10, and there we have it. Hello world. So this is our first Python program, and I'm glad that you've done it. Okay, guys, so if you have any comments, any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. See you guys in the next video.